Hi, this is Rabisankar Mukherjee. I am working in HR administration in Someplace Infrastructure Limited, and in connection to my work, infrastructural work, I have to move around the nation. I have seen the rapid exploitation of environment for facility development of our nation, of our people, of our citizens as a whole throughout India, be it a hill area, be it a mountain, be rivers, be roads, be lands, all quarries, mines, forests, everywhere we are exploiting the environment for our facility, for development of our facility, for development of our infrastructure, so that we can live, we can stay, we can grow happily. In course of this exploitation, this human exploitation, in the name of development or in the name of whatever you would like to call it, it is calling upon our own future. Our future is at stake. Now we are in dearth of healthy environments. These are all requirements of a nation. These are all the requirements of human race to develop. But in the name of this development, in the name of this high-rise building, in the name of these facilities, there is some unscientific approaches, lot of unscientific approaches I have seen, I have experienced throughout my life, throughout India. Because most of the projects are time bound and private parties are involved with it. They don't have the time to take steps for restoration of the environment. They are so much pressured, they work under so much pressure that they have to complete the project within a time bound framework. Even in addition to that, what I have realized that the human being, the human race, the present human generation is suffering from some psychological disorders. How? I have seen people deliberately disobeying some orders, some reasonable orders, out of their fathomless grievances that is developing day by day through their lot of factors, and these accumulated grievances are prompting the human race, the human generation, are deliberate disobedience. They don't mind whether what their action will call upon in future. That cutting of trees has become a way of their life. What is the value of trees, we fail to understand. We may give various statistics how carbon dioxide level is going up, lack of oxygen, and this ecosystem, disturbance of the ecosystem, damage of ozone layers. We can, as a specialist in this regard, global warming and all those big words. But thing is that who is the custodian of this environment? This human being, the greatest exploiter of this environment. We are enjoying this world by exploiting this environment. When the custodian has gone out of reason, out of minds, when they are not bothering about what will happen for their irreasonable actions, then who can save the environment? To me, very precisely to me, there should be a deep thought, there should be a deep look into the psychological structure of the present human generation. They are doing something, they are behaving in such a way that is totally unbecoming of a civilized society. In this auspicious day of 5th June, this environmental day, I would appeal to everybody concerned to give into the deep thought. So why we are behaving like this? When we can understand that our action will go against us. Every day is going against us. But we are doing the things. I think as we are giving lot of incentives for doing such and such work, we should follow sometimes some authoritarian rule in some cases. In a sample way, we can start it in authoritarian rule with respect to these environmental issues. Strict rules, implementation of strict rules, compulsorily, and from the school level, we must involve everybody in this environmental protection, development and preservation work. Thank you.